Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we are going about the basics of embryology. So I made some diagrams about the first week of fertilization. So fertilization is the fusion of male and female pronuclei. It happens in the ampulla of the uterine tube, and then it goes through several stages before implantation onto the uterine wall. This is the uterus, this is the ovary, as we can see. Okay, the fertilization takes place in this part. That's the ampulla, that's the white part of the uterine tube. The first stage is the zygote, and then it keeps on going through the mitotic divisions to form 2-cell and then 4-cell, and then it turns into a ball of cells, that's morula, that transforms into blastocyst when this cavity is starting to fill up with the fluid. Okay, and around the 6th day, this gets implanted onto the uterine wall. Okay, so the stage when the blastocyst implants itself to the uterine wall, the zygote looks like this, and there are like the names of the cells, different parts of it. The two main parts are the embryoblast and the trophoblast. Embryoblast is actually the part that is going to form the embryo, the later on embryo, and the trophoblast is 2 parts, and that's actually the time when it implants. That's the time when trophoblast gets divided into 2 cellular divisions. That is, the outer one is the cytotrophoblast, and the inner one that is going to attach itself to the uterine wall, that this part, this is the syncytiotrophoblast. Okay, so the important things that happen before fertilization, that's number 1 is the capacitation. The capacitation is actually the it has 2 important things to it that are important to be kept in mind. Number 1 is the acrosome reaction, where the protein removal of the plasma membrane happens, and then the other part is the release of the hydrolytic enzymes, and release of hydrolytic enzymes, which is going to be helpful in the cortical, which is actually the cortical reaction, that is the entrance of the sperm in the egg, and then stopping all the other sperms to enter into the egg. So these are some very basic things that are to review when we start doing the embryology. Assalamu alaikum again.